Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates the registration steps for N1A, Spouses of Nigerian Citizens Permit. To get started, visit the CERPAC platform at https://cerpac.immigration.gov.ng. Click on the Get Started button. You will be routed to the Welcome to CERPAC page. Click on CERPAC, select N1A, Spouses of Nigerian Citizens Permit. Click on Apply to begin registration. Complete the applicant details form on the Create Account page. Click Sign Up. You will be routed to the Verify Email page. A verification email containing a one-time password, OTP, will be sent to the registered email. Enter the OTP in the verification field. Click Verify. Upon successful verification, a confirmation message will be displayed. Click on Go to Login. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your login credentials. Click Login. You will be routed to the dashboard landing page. On the dashboard, click on Start Application at the top right corner. You will be routed to the Enter Your Visa Number page. Select No and click Proceed. Fill in your personal information as required. Select the appropriate service type. Renewal. If you already have a CERPAC number but are applying for the first time on the CERPAC platform. Regularization. For fresh applications. Click on Proceed. Upload the required supporting documents. Preview your application details. Tick the attestation checkbox to confirm accuracy of information. Click Submit. Click Proceed to continue. Click Back to Dashboard. The application will be reviewed and processed by the Nigeria Immigration Service, NIS. The progress and status of your application can be tracked under the Application Status section on the dashboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching.